Hi, my name is Bethany Clemensrud. I'm an assistant professor here in chemical engineering, and this is
Dave Hirschman. I'm the engineering tech and run all the labs for the department. Safety stuff that we do, we'll start with that. All the kids, students, before they come in, are given a safety training and a quiz. And all the stuff is pointed out to them, and then when they physically come for the first time, all the bits and pieces, the fire extinguishers and the eye wash stations are all pointed out for them, and we'll go over that in a sec. You'll notice that my safety glass cabinet is empty, but due to COVID, now we're issuing glasses sealed to each individual student so we don't get into the problem of transmitting the disease, and they're theirs. Safety information cards are in front of all of the labs, which will outline the potential hazards located in each lab. Things do move around a little bit, so that's kind of what we got here. Okay, so.
And we require all of the students to wear masks right now due to COVID precautions, but being that we are all vaccinated and my glasses are fogging up, we'll do without the mask today. So when our students first come into the lab, we still have safety glasses available for them in case they forgot it, and it is sealed to avoid any COVID transmission. We have gloves available for them to use. We also have pointed out the fire extinguisher the first time coming into this lab. We have our MSDS sheets right here as well, and we have some other safety precautions that we would like to point out. We have our fume hood up there to keep this room well ventilated, along with the first aid kit on the wall. And we also have an eye wash station located on the other wall close to the computer. This is pointed out to all of the students before they even begin their labs. Right here we have our Hewlett-Packard GC. It has an FID detector on it, and we use it for all of the labs that we conduct. So labs 1 through 4. In lab 1, they're just learning how to use a GC and getting comfortable with that. In labs 2, 3, and 4, they use it for compositional analysis and looking to optimize their experiments. So this is well used and well loved. And moving over here, we have our 8-stage bubble cap distillation column. In this distillation column, we are distilling isopropanol and methanol. Students use this in lab 2 for a nice fun heat loss calculation, and they use it in lab 3 to look at tray efficiency. Located here on the wall are some cylinders that we use to run the GC. So there's nitrogen, just regular old air, and some hydrogen. As you can see, they are all affixed to the wall and follow all safety precautions. So moving back around here, we have our packed bed reactor. In this, we're converting ethyl acetate to acetic acid, and we're using an Amberlight 15 catalyst. Students use this in lab 3 to look at optimization, and they're also using it in lab 4 to study transport and kinetic phenomenon. And then over here, we have nothing. So this is where a reverse osmosis system is usually located, but due to COVID and wanting the students to be able to space out and have that distance that we know is important for reducing the transmission of COVID, this is now located in 321. And so this concludes our tour of Lab 316. Thank you so much for your time for reviewing this, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.